In this video, we will discuss about Earth's magnetic field. To understand Earth's magnetic field, let us do this example. So here this figure represents the direction of north, south, east, west. If you place any magnetic needle, you will find that this magnetic needle always point towards north-south direction. The question is, why it is so? Even if you rotate this magnetic needle to some other direction, again if it comes back to the north-south direction. So question is, why this is happening? Why this magnetic needle always point towards the north and south direction? This means that there must be a south pole at this end and north pole at this end, which is always keep attracting them to make the magnetic needle to align along this direction. If you see this diagram, if you hang any bar magnet, it always point towards approximately towards a geographical north and geographical south pole. So this means that since north pole of the magnet is towards this direction, this means that the Earth having a south pole along this direction. Similarly, the north pole of the Earth will be in this direction, that is nearby the geographical south. So if you imagine in such a way that Earth is having a big bar of the magnet as shown in here, having a north pole nearby the geographical south pole and having south pole, magnetic south pole nearby the geographical north pole. It is further observed that the direction of north, magnetic north and south pole of the Earth is not in the same line as that of the geographical north-south pole. It is tilted by a very small angle, that is 11.3 degree. Now if you find the location of north and south pole, you can find that Earth's south pole lies in the northern Canada and having a latitude value 79.74 north, longitude 71.8 degree west, and similarly Earth's north pole lies in Antarctica. This is lying in Antarctica, having a latitude 79.74 degree south, same, and having a longitude 108.22 degree east. So these are the locations of the Earth's magnetic poles. If Earth is having a magnetic property, then it should have a magnetic field lines. So magnetic field lines of Earth is shown here. So these are the representing the magnetic field lines. So this shaded portion represents the Earth, and this is your geographical north-south pole. Now along this direction, and this is your magnetic north-south pole of Earth. And if I want to draw the magnetic field lines, the magnetic field lines look like just similar as that of bar magnet. That is, magnetic field lines move from the north to south outside the magnet and from south to north inside the magnet. So, and the magnetic fields of Earth look like as shown in this figure. So here if you keep a compass at this location, you will find that this compass will point along the direction of magnetic field, that is toward this direction. So that is why this magnetic needle have a north pole always towards the south pole of the Earth. Next we will discuss that what is the cause of Earth's magnetic field. Some suggested that there is a big bar of a magnet which is lying inside the Earth, but it is not the case because Earth's core is molten state, so this cannot be possible. So some says that because our Earth atmosphere is having iron, so as Earth rotates, the ions also rotates, and this causes a magnetic field. Some suggested that the Earth's magnetic field is because of core of Earth has a high temperature. As a result, the metal at the core will not be in atomic state. It will be in ionic state. So as the Earth rotates, our core also rotates, and that causes a movement of ions in a circular orbit. That is, the charged particle is moving in a orbit, and that causes a magnetic dipole or magnetic dipole movement and causes a magnetic field of Earth. So this is your all about this much. Thanking you.